Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change Woodoku language. If you want to change the language on your Woodoku application, then here is how you can do it. Launch Open Woodoku app from the app drawer and make sure that you're inside this page. Now tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner and in the settings menu, tap the change button right next to language. You can choose from multitudes of language displayed on the screen. Select one of your language preference and tap on it and tap continue in order to change your language. As you can see that my language has now been changed for the game. That is how you can easily change Woodoku language to your preferred one using the mobile application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.